How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, update your TikTok app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, launch it. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option Report Your Problem. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option Chat with Us. You will be directed to TikTok support page. Now here, you can have conversation with TikTok support team. Over here, you'll need to mention that live wallpaper is not supported on your TikTok account and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. Have conversation and convince TikTok support team to give the access to live wallpaper. So this way you can fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.